Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quick sell on TFT or Teamfight tactics. So the first thing this would like to do, of course, is just go and open your Riot games or Riot clients. Of course, if you don't have it, you can just go and download it through any browser you're using. Just go and open it up and type download Riot client, and of course, you will be able to download it. Once you have it, of course, just go and download it, as I said, and here let's just wait until it's download. Normally here you will find your games that is already downloaded, and of course if you don't have the Teamfight Tactics or the TFT, you can just go and install it from the down option here. Just go and click on it and install it. Once it's installed, of course you'll be able to play it. So let's just go and open it up. Of course, as you can see, you will have the option of installing it in League of Legends or EOS App Store or even Google Play. So choose whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to go and open it on the League of Legends app. So let's just wait for this until it's opened. So let's just wait for it. It will open right now. And let's just, of course, after that, head right into the TFT option. So of course, as you can see, I'll find the TFT right here. So, okay, let's just wait, of course, until the download or the update is finished. Then I'm coming back. Of course, here we are. So now click at play, now Earth, TFT, and let's just go into normal as an example. Now, of course, let's find a match and let's just wait until it gets us into a game. And I'm coming back again. So here we are, we found the game, and we just wait for it until it's open now. Of course, once your game is started, you'll be able to choose here your champions. So let's get us choose a champion here as an example. And now once we finish the timer, we'll get into our board and then I'm going to show you how to quick sell. Of course, you will not be able to sell in the first round, so let's just wait until the first round finished, and then I'm going to show you how to quick sell champion on the TFT. So as you can see here, that's gonna be our second round. So of course, if you want to quick sell a champion, simply just go and take it, and of course just put it here in down corner, and that will quick sell your champion and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.